This is once in a lifetime for you guys. If you want to own a really nice Corvette. One of the Holy Grail Corvettes, it says, lot number 1. I got period corrected 7 motor, 75,260 plus miles, original leather seats, option and all, guys. Here we go, guys, on the block. You guys tell me. How many got to be? Let's go. 100,000 where? Who could be 100,000? I got 65,000 online. Who could be 70,000? I got 65. You're going to be 70,000. Let's go. Who could be 70? I got 70 on the phone. You're going to be 75. I got 70 on the phone. You're going to be 75,000. I'm 70 right. You're going to be 70 online. You're out. I'm 70 on the phone. You're going to be 75 right there. Now 80,000. I got 75. You're going to be 80,000. Let's go. I got 80. Now 85. I got 80 here. Now 85. Let's go. Now online. You're out. I got 80 in the crowd. Going to be on the phone over here. Then 85. 90,000. You're going to be 99. Going to be 90,000. Let's go. 90,000. And 99, you're going to do 90, you're going to be $90,000 one more time, you're going to do 90,000. 85 right here on the phone. And 90, we're going to be 99, you're going to do 90, yes, no? I can do 87 and a half. We were told we could do 87 and a half. Yes or no? Is it going to be 87 and a half? Now you're going to be 90,000, you're going to be 99, you're going to be 90,000, let's go. You're going to be $90,000. I got 87 and a half. You're going to be 90,000. 87 and a half, you're going to be 90,000. On the Corvette, guys, you're going to be $90,000. On 87 and a half, you're going to be 90,000. One more time, you're going to be 90,000. Let's go. And 90,000. Even at 90,000. Let's go, guys. You're going to be 90,000. Once in a lifetime, you're going to be 90,000. You're going to be 87 and a half, you're going to be 90,000. 87 and a half, you're going to be 90,000. One more time, $90,000. That means you're almost done. You're going to be 90, you're going to be 90,000 where? I got 87 and a half, you're going to be 90. One more time, look at the time now, you're going to be 90,000. One more time, you're going to be 90. If it else won't jump in, last call. I got 87 and a half, you're going to be 90,000. One more time, you're going to be 90,000. You're going to be 90,000. I could drop a pin in here right now. Sold it. $87,500.